Modern English novels. As the 19th century gave way to the 20th, the English novel underwent a transformation unlike any before. The grand, sweeping narratives of Victorian literature, with their clear moral compass and structured plots, began to give way to more experimental, introspective, and fragmented storytelling. The modern novel was born from a world shaken by industrialization, war, psychological exploration, and the shifting sands of human identity. At the heart of this revolution were writers who dared to break with tradition. Joseph Conrad's Heart of Darkness, 1899, blurred the lines between civilization and savagery, while D.H. Lawrence explored the raw intensity of human relationships in Sons and Lovers, 1913. These early modernist works set the stage for a literary movement that would redefine storytelling. Then came James Joyce, whose Ulysses, 1922, shattered conventional narrative structures, employing stream of consciousness to take readers deep into the minds of his characters. Around the same time, Virginia Woolf reimagined time and perception in novels like Mrs. Dalloway, 1925, and To the Lighthouse, 1927, where the flow of thoughts became as significant as external events. Meanwhile, across the Atlantic, F. Scott Fitzgerald captured the disillusionment of the jazz age in The Great Gatsby, 1925, while William Faulkner's The Sound and the Fury, 1929, experimented with fractured narratives and multiple perspectives. The modern novel did not merely tell a story. It invited readers to experience the consciousness of its characters in profound and often unsettling ways. The trauma of two world wars further shaped modern fiction, with writers like George Orwell and Aldous Huxley crafting dystopian visions in 1984, 1949, and Brave New World, 1932, warning of the perils of totalitarianism and unchecked technological progress. By the mid-20th century, the modern novel had evolved once again, paving the way for postmodernism. But its legacy remained intact: the willingness to experiment, to challenge narrative conventions, and to delve deeper into the complexities of human thought and society. Today, the echoes of these pioneering novelists continue to shape the literary landscape, proving that the modern novel was not just a phase but a revolution that forever changed the art of storytelling.